Okay, the third step will be coding, start coding the plugin. Until now, we haven't done any Python coding yet, but now we can just modify the codes. To do this, you can use any IDE for coding, but I recommend that you use the VS Code. In here, for example, you just open up your Python where the path of the plugin was, and then you open it with a VS Code. Then they will open the code in here. Then you just leave others there. You do not have to change it. But now we can go find the demo for plugin.py, which is the main Python file for this process. And scroll down to this is a class called kind of dialog. This is the demo plugin. That's the class name. That's what the name was defined when you use the plugin builder, right? So that was the name. Then in here, down to the run function method for that class, for that plugin class. Then you want to go to the result section here. Then, what do we do here? We'll do some coding here to read from your dialog interface the box, and then we'll show some message, do some behavior definition in here for the plugin. Okay, so first we're gonna do kind of reading from the dialog. Okay, so what you see here is that I need to read a file path from their dialog file widget, right? So we do here, we just copy this code here. And then, but the problem is that you don't have a component, an object on the dialog called QGIS file widget. Okay, remember what we defined? Okay, what we defined was a object called stationless. So what do you do here? You copy that name, make sure you have the same name you define in your Qt designer, and you come back to here. You paste in here so that make sure you got the correct name for that object in your dialog. Then this dialog item here can give you a method called the file path. This one will return a full file path name to a text. Then next, I'm going to show the text. Okay, to show the text, you're gonna do using the function defined by the QGIS. All right, so make sure you copy everything like this. Then this will be like self.iface. iface is a class defined by the plugin interface in here. You'll see the iface defined in here. Okay. And okay, no, maybe not. Maybe that's initialization that defined iface. Okay. Anyway, that was the iface that we're gonna use as one of the parameters for defining my plugin here. Then we do message bar that will give us a message information from the plugin, and then using the method called push message. Then the message is I can just type in like a station list file is in here, and you put something else, it should be run. Okay, so make sure you save your plugin file again. You can just go ahead again. You're gonna make another copy of your demo for plugin. You make a copy and paste to your plugin folder. Overwrite everything in there. Then once you overwrite it, then you go restart your QGIS because your all the modules have been modified. You have to reload it, start another session. Then you go to plugin, demo plugin, you'll see here. Then to test if the function works, we go browse, and then we find a CSV file. Then click OK. You see a message here. Okay, the message was wrong here, right? Let me check the message and come back.